Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stripe payment form UX with inline error handling, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your Stripe account dashboard. Log in using your credentials. Once inside, locate the API section in the left sidebar. Here, you will find your API keys which you will need for your integration. Copy your publishable key for use in the front end. Next, set up your development environment. Choose your preferred framework or library for the payment form. If you're using HTML, create a new file named paymentform.html. In this file, set up a basic HTML structure. Include the stripe.js library in the head section. Add a form element with the necessary input fields for payment details. These fields typically include card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing information. Ensure each input has a unique ID for easy reference in JavaScript. Below the form, create a div element to display inline error messages. Now, move on to the JavaScript section of your code. Initialize Stripe using your publishable key. Create an instance of elements from Stripe. This allows you to manage the UI components of your payment form securely. Next, create card elements for card number, expiration date, and CVC. Append these elements to the form you created earlier. Set up an event listener for each input field. This will help capture any input-related errors in real time. Use the Stripe card elements' built-in validation methods to check for errors. If an error occurs, display it inline within the designated div. Provide clear, user-friendly error messages to guide users. Now, create a submit button for the payment form. Attach a submit event listener to this button. In this listener, prevent the default form submission. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.